Dear children, before starting two-digit addition, let us revise the concept of addition. What is addition? Addition is the process where we put the objects together. The plus sign is used to represent the addition. Now we will quickly revise the properties of addition. First property is when a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. Or you can say adding 0 to a number gives the same number. This property is called property of 0. Second property is adding 1. When you add 1 to a number, the sum is the number after. Or you can say adding 1 to a number gives the number that comes after. Next is the order of addition. Numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. We can interchange the order of the numbers in addition.
Dear children, it's time to start the first topic of today's video, that is two-digit addition.
Dear children, the very first example is here, 23 and 45. Here are two numbers. 23 is also a two-digit number and 45 is also a two-digit number. Students, if we will solve it in this way, it will be a little bit difficult for us to solve it. So let us understand how to solve it. That will be convenient for us. Here I have written 23. Then what we will write? We will write 45 just below the number 23. But just wait. Before writing 45, what we have to do? We have to put the symbol of addition, that is plus, and it is the very important sign. After writing the plus sign, we will write 45 just below the number 23. Then after writing numbers, what we have to do? We can write 0 and T above the numbers. 0 stands for ones and T stands for tens. In our previous video, we have learned place value. Why we are writing this? Because it will be convenient for us to solve the addition sum. Then, when we are adding the numbers, what we will do? First, we will add the numbers which are in ones column. And then, we will add numbers in tens column. Once you complete ones column, you can move to the tens column. So, when we are adding 23 plus 45, what will come? First, we will add the numbers in first column, that is 5 plus 3. So, the answer is 8. Then, the numbers in the second column, 4 plus 2, that will be 6. So, by adding 23 plus 45, the sum we are getting is equals to 68.
Students, let us understand the addition of two-digit numbers with one more example. Here you can see two numbers, 21 and 13. Both are two-digit numbers. Now, let us see the place value of the numbers. Here in 21, 1 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Coming to the second number, that is 13, 3 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. Students, now what we will do? We will write the numbers in vertical manner. First, we will write 21 and below 21, we are going to write 13. Students, don't forget to put addition sign, that is the plus sign. Now putting them in place value, 21's 1 and 13's 3 will be in ones place. Moving to the tens place, 21's 2 and 13's 1 will be in tens place. Students, you have learned numbers and how to add or put together the numbers. Do you know, my dear children, that these numbers in addition can help you to solve problems? Yes, you can use these numbers and addition in daily life problems. For example, you go for shopping. These numbers and addition can help you how much amount you have to pay to the shopkeeper.
Before doing word problem, we have to understand what is being asked in the problem by reading the sentence or the statement carefully. As we know, there are many names used for addition. You have learned in previous video also, like altogether, in all, total, put together, plus, sum of. So, when we see any of these names in a sentence or a statement, that means there we need to add. Let us understand it with an example. There are 4 brinjals in the basket. Mother puts 2 more brinjals. Now, how many brinjals are there in all together? Children, here you can see the word altogether in the statement. That means in this statement, we need to add the numbers. Here we are going to add 4 brinjals plus 2 brinjals. 4 plus 2. 4 in our mind and 2 in our fingers. So after 4 we will count 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Dear children, there are 6 brinjals in the basket altogether. Now we are going to take one more example, and the example will be of 2-digit numbers. There are 13 boys and 12 girls in the classroom. We have to find out total number of students altogether. Here, as there are 2-digit numbers, first we will put them in their place value. So, total number of boys are 13. Starting from right, 3 will be in 1's place and 1 will be in 10's place. Total number of girls are 12. 2 will be in 1's place and 1 will be in 10's place. Now we are going to add the numbers 13 plus 12. Before adding the numbers, put plus sign. Start with 1's place. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. You know how to add. 3 in your mind and 2 in your fingers. And 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So dear children, there are 25 students in the classroom.
So, dear students, this is all for today. I hope that you have understand how to do 2-digit addition and how to solve word problems related to addition. Do watch the video till end. And dear students, please do the given PDF work in a very neat and clean